Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sharan Hiremat. You are watching Trade Diary 101. We are going to discuss about very important thing, that is tomorrow's expiry. Where do we take a trade? Where are the chances price is likely to expire, and so on, right? So please do watch till the end. I'm going to talk very important things. I will not waste your time, just 8 minutes of yours, and you're going to learn a lot of things in the market, right? Having said that, how do we approach this? We do three things. One, we look at the markets on a top down approach. Basically, we look at a higher time frame, maybe in 1 day time frame, and then slowly move into 15 minutes time frame to get a trade setup, right? Having said that, let's not waste more time. Let's get straight into action. Chalo, let's start now. First things first, if you see here, in the last couple of days, 1, 2, 3, 4 days, there has been a price that is moving very randomly. Now if you see here, we had a gap up, right? This gap up was created, a small kind of a day we had where it was green, right? Bullish day. Second day followed by a bearish candle completely, right? Third day followed by a kind of whatever you want to call it as hammer, kind of a hammer structure or piercing, whatever you want to call this, we had that. And finally again, fourth day, we had something where the prices opened up and tried to pierce into the previous candle, which is also called as dark cloud cover, right? Which is a negative sentiment, right? Now when you have such things in the market, you do not know where the markets will end. So that's why if you see my earlier videos, I had very clearly mentioned that this zone where the price is right now is a very cautious zone, right? I'm going to remain with the same thing. I'm going to just mark one important level here, right? I'll just remove this. I'm going to mark one alt. Yeah, we're going to mark one level here because the price kind of rejected here. So I'm going to mark that level. I'm also going to mark one more important level, which is going to be at this level, right? Right now where I see the market is in this particular zone of 17,450 to 16,997 or 17,400 points of difference we have. Now please wait and watch till the end as we move by step and try to identify a trading opportunity for us. All right, let's get straight into a smaller time frame. I'm going to go into 240 minutes, that is 4 hours chart. Now in 4 hours chart, if you see here, there is a gap up, price went, took resistance, came down, kind of a hammer, basically support, confirming a bullish confirmation, price went up. Here again a kind of dark cloud cover, ensuring there is a kind of resistance. So nothing much we can discuss about here. We will go into smaller time frame now again. Now we are in a 60 minutes time frame, right? Here if you see, price had taken a gap up, went up, bearish confirmation in 1 hour, and price slowly drifted slowly in a zone, or say in a trend line, say it came down, right? And then finally you had the last push that went up. Now if you also see why this push came here is because of this completion of this particular gap that was created, right? This was the zone that the price was had to retest, right? That is why the price came slowly here. A lot of buyers got into the market, and all of a sudden you saw that the prices went up. Now having said that, now let's go into a still smaller time frame, or we'll just try and understand what happened here. Here the market gave a small bullish confirmation, right? Bearish confirmation with the first candle stating there is negative in sentiment in the market, followed by drifting slowly. Here after drifting, the price has been taking continuous support at this level, right? It is taking a continuous support at this level. I am going to mark this level, right, along with this level. Now why? Because the price tried to go up, a kind of a shooting star followed by a red candle, right? Now we'll go into smaller time frames and see if we have anything more. Did I miss out something? One second, I missed out this, right? Yeah. All right. Now if you see here, we have been able to mark zones, and I think more or less we will be able to take a few trades here. Now first of all, trade number 1. When there is confusion, there is a high chance price may go up or down. Most probably 60% there is always a chance of prices going down when there is confusion, and then the other times it is the other way around. Now having said that, if tomorrow price opens here, right, or is trading between this zone, right, which is between 17,300 to 17,200, it's just a matter of 100 points. So this becomes a this becomes a no trading zone for us. Sorry. 1 second. Yeah, this zone becomes a no trading zone for us. I'm going to mark it in a kind of a color so that price range, right? I'm going to mark this here. This becomes a no trading zone for us tomorrow. Why? Because if you see right from 12 o'clock till 3 o'clock, we have seen that the price was hovering around here itself. So this is an important level for us not to take a trade. I'm going to write it down as well. Say no trading zone. Right now, when I say no trading zone, basically it means there is a confusion, right? So it is always better to know to not to take any trade and get kind of bashed out of the market, right? So to avoid that, we are going to not trade here. Now, what is this zone? Now, if suppose price crosses this level of 17,300, we have a first order and second target levels here, right? This will be our first and second levels of targets, right? Only if the price opens here and moves here. This is a no trading zone. This is a small zone, basically a small trade. So you can take here. You cannot take mature trades, right? So if you are taking 100 quantities, you will have to stick with 50 here only, because there is going to be a lot of resistance here and everywhere. So if the price is trying to cross this zone, take trade which is very small quantity, right? That is trade number 2. Right, I'm also going to say put a zone here, small quantity zone. I'm going to color it in different one, say blue. I will write it as small quantity zone, right? Just hold on, small quantity buying, right? This will be our small quantity buying only if the price opens here and starts moving here, and then probably even go and touch this particular level. So this is the second trade. The third trade is, this is going to be a slightly bigger trade for me, right? This zone is going to be a kind of which is something that I am interested. Hopefully I should be able to get it. If we don't get it, it's okay. At least we know where we can take a trade. Now, this is a zone where I don't find any kind of resistances around here, right? So if suppose tomorrow the participants are able to open here and take the prices downside, I am going to go for a shorting business where my quantity will be more than 50, right? Instead of 50, it will be 75, so 100 quantities, right? Instead of 1 lot, 2 lots is what I'm going to trade. Here we are going to look at a shorting business. I'm going to write it as shorting business, right? So this is going to be my third zone of interest. This is more or less I am very much interested. But having said that, if suppose we can also find that the price is moving in a trend line, right? And by the time if it comes here, right, if the price is able to manage to come here and give us some kind of confirmation from this level crossing after 17,200, you can get a good trade up to 17,350. So this is the third sentiment or third type of trade I will be looking to trade. Now, if suppose the price opens here or here, we wait for the price action to happen and then only take a decision. Else, this is something I'm going to look for tomorrow. I hope you guys have enjoyed this kind of sessions. Please do let me know if you are able to follow me. You want more on psychological facts. Now, just once advanced concept I'm going to talk about and we'll leave here. Now, think about it. The price had a resistance of this level, right? The price came here, went up, came here, went up. And finally, today, when the price came here, it sustained, right? All these people who would have put or sold a number of puts here or put their stop losses will eventually be hit by this, right? That is why there is a quick momentum. This is the reason we trade in zones. So when a price moves from one zone to other zone, there is always a chance of taking out the retail investors, right? Because their stop losses are very naive. We want to take that out. So that is the reason we trade in zones, right? Hopefully you have understood tomorrow's expiry. We know if price moves here, you can short here and sell the quantities here. If the price moves here, you can sell your puts and set. If suppose the price comes here, this is a hero zero program. Okay, this will be a hero zero program. If the price around this is at 2 o'clock and then you get a breakout, it's a hero zero kind of trade you will get. All right, having said that, I will close the session. All the best for tomorrow, and I'll keep making more and more videos. Please do share it amongst your friends and family, and yeah, like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.